Hello all, welcome to Voice Beacon. Solar storms are probably one of the most amazing phenomena that one can witness. However, now a new research has said that the solar storm which hits Earth next could potentially destroy the infrastructure and cause a internet apocalypse. The internet blackout will last for many months. What is this solar storm and how it is related to internet blackout? Let's get into the video to find out about the same. Our sun, which sits at the center of the solar system, is the primary source of energy. It also provides heat and light to sustain various forms of life on planet Earth. The sun is mainly composed of superheated gases called plasma surrounding a core and sometimes due to disturbances caused on its surface. There can be events leading to a massive outburst of energy across the outermost layer of the sun called the heliosphere, thereby affecting the whole solar system. These outbursts of energy from the heliosphere are what is known as solar storms. While most of them are insignificant to our daily lives, a few massive ones can wreak havoc in no time. Solar storm consists of powerful eruptions of mass energy from the sun. These eruptions appear from the burning ball of gas as flares, sunspots, and coronal mass ejection. Well, how can it cause an internet blackout then? A research conducted by Sangeeta Jyoti of University of California stated that there is a 1.6 to 12% chance of a solar storm which can cause an internet blackout and will transform our digital world completely. Jyoti also said that the massive storm could actually be a solar superstorm and it will severely affect the internet infrastructure under the sea, including power grids and gas pipelines. With the ejection of highly magnetized particles from the sun towards the earth, the magnetic fields on earth can go erratic and induce powerful electric currents. These currents have the capability to destroy long distance internet cables laid under the sea that acts as a backbone of internet being across the world. The storm could also affect the communication satellite, leading to a catastrophic turn of events since the entire world today depends on the internet. Sangeeta has also highlighted that while it may not be possible to completely avoid the solar events, not every place will be affected in the same way. In fact, the extent of effect would be greatly determined by the geography of the area, with the USA being most vulnerable and Asia being the and least vulnerable to damage. Okay, has an event like this occurred before? Solar storm is a rare occurrence and can be considered as a black swan event. Such an event occurred in 1859 called the Carrington event, which led to a major disruption in electrical infrastructure, and then again in 1921, which was comparatively a milder solar storm. But researchers believe that this black swan event can again occur in a decade. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please give a likes, comments, and dislikes, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you.